Are you having trouble receiving the verification code on Telegram in 2024, whether you're using iOS or Android? This issue can be frustrating, but there are a couple ways that you can try to get back on track. All right. One of the ways, you could just go back to your screen and then go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to Telegram right here and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version so you can have access to all the new features. Another way, you could just go back to your screen and then go ahead to my settings and then scroll a little bit down, click the apps, all right, and then basically you're gonna search for message or messages. Click on the messages and make sure that you receive the iMessage, and basically right here the MMS messaging. Make sure that you have the notifications when someone messages you. Make sure that your messages are already set. You can just go back right here. Let me do another double check right here to the notifications, and you can be able right here to see that I have allowed or turned on my notification. That means that I will receive any notification from any outside outside apps or advertisement and all that. Okay, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.